Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Restoring your Gmail inbox usually involves finding missing emails or resetting your display settings. If you cannot find your messages, start by checking the trash and spam folders located in the left sidebar. Click More to reveal these hidden labels. If you find your emails there, select them and click Move to Inbox to restore them. Remember that Gmail deletes items in the trash permanently after 30 days. You should also check the All Mail folder because you might have accidentally archived your messages. Use the search bar at the top and type "in anywhere," followed by a keyword to search every corner of your account. Sometimes a filter is the problem. Go to Settings, then See All Settings, and click Filters and Blocked Addresses. Delete any filters that are automatically archiving or deleting your incoming mail. If your inbox layout looks strange, click the gear icon and select the default inbox type to return to the standard view. This will bring back your primary, social, and promotions tabs. If your emails are disappearing without your permission, your account might be compromised. Change your password immediately and enable two-factor authentication to secure your data. Check your POP and IMAP settings under the Forwarding tab to ensure no one is redirecting your mail to another address. Following these steps will help you recover your messages and get your inbox back to normal. Most issues are caused by accidental clicks or hidden filters that are easy to fix within the settings menu. Keep your account organized by regularly checking these folders and managing your security options.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.